Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we welcome you to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Today we are going to read a lesson, Kali wants to dance. So Kali is a boy who has a passionate for dancing. So every time we are telling, once you are passionate only, you can do the work correctly and perfectly. Here also Kali wants to dance. So he is a small boy, a poor boy, has a passionate towards dancing. So how he faces the difficulty to learn the dance. Shall we read the story? Before reading the story, let me tell you who has written this. It was written by Aparna Karthikeyan. She is a great storyteller, independent journalist. She writes about culture, books and livelihoods and has published books for children while working on 2 of her grown-ups. She volunteers with the People's Archive for Rural Life, PARI, and lives in Mumbai. So here, Kali is a boy. Okay, so he faced so many challenges and then he danced his way to success. And then this Aparna Karthikeyan, she has written many books and her latest fiction is Oof! Adventures by Sea was published in 2020 by Red Panda. Kali wants to dance. So we have how many dance forms across the world do you know? Use the clues given below and complete this crossword. What is this? Kathakali, Bharatanatyam. Yes, so many, right? Yes. So here we are going to see how this Kali. Have you ever wondered what a dancer's life must be like? Here is the story of Kali who overcame many challenges and danced his way to success. In the struggling fishing village of Kovalam in Kerala, Kali Veerabhadran is a hero, not because he is an actor, not because he has fought for villains. So here, in so many places, the fishing village of Kovalam in Kerala, which place they are telling now? Which place? Which place? In Kerala. Kovalam in Kerala. Kali Veerabhadran is a hero. He is not only is an actor because he has fought off many villains. He is a hero because he learned to dance. Who? Kali. So now we are going to read about Kali. Okay. Not because he learned to dance. According to People's Archive. What do you mean by the archive? Archive means collection of historical documents or records. So Kali is at the age of 25, perhaps the only male dancer who has mastered the classical dance form, Bharatanatyam, as well as 3 ancient Tamil folk dance forms. Kali lost his father at a very young age. It was his mother, Elamali Veerabhadran, a construction laborer who worked doubly hard to raise him and his many siblings. So what happened? So we are going to read about Kali Veerabhadran, how he survived so many challenges he faced and how he overcome his obstacles. Okay, so now we are going to read his biography. So at the age of 25, he is the only one male dancer. And then he has mastered all the classical dance form, Bharatanatyam, as well as 3 ancient Tamil folk dance forms. And then what happened? Kali lost his father at a very young age and it was his mother. So next, if father died means ultimately all the burden will come to mother. So Elamali Veerabhadran, what she does is, what work she used to do is a construction labor who worked doubly hard to raise him and his many siblings. So he had many brothers and sisters. Okay, and then it is the year 2000 and Kali is 8 years old. Like many boys, he goes to school, plays with his friends and watches TV. Unlike many boys, Kali also dances. So what nowadays also we'll watch the TV and we will dance. We'll watch what we are just seeing, our brain will take it and then we'll replicate. Yes or no? So it is the year 2000. Kali is about 8 years old. So like so many boys, he also likes to go to school, plays with friends and just watches the TV. But what happened? But so many boys doesn't like to dance like Kali. So Kali also dances. And then Kali loves to watch Padmini dance on TV. She is a famous actor and fantastic dancer. Who is that? Padmini. And he pretends means thinking that he is wearing an object. Okay, to wear a salangai and dances Bharatanatyam. Kali wants to be danced just like her. So adopting whatever we are, once we want to speak in English means first we want to adapt and then only we can proceed. Once you have to have an interest, and then first jadi they are saying taritan tana jonu timi taka tarikita taka takadinitom takadinitom takadinitom. So this is the jadi. They used to dance with this jadi only. So she Padmini dances, Kali adopts it. Kali becomes such a good dancer that his teachers ask him to perform at school programs. If you are doing good means once you are doing good at speech means we'll tell you to speak in front of others. We'll give lot of personality development and everything. We'll just inform you and we'll give you a chance to do it. Like that in school, Kali's teacher also giving an opportunity to dance in front of them. And then soon this is known in the little fishing village as a Bharatanatyam dancer. So what happened now? All of them comes to know that Kali is a very good dancer, Bharatanatyam dancer. Then one day Sara Chanda, who manages a hospital in Chennai, sees him perform on stage. So what happened? Once he was passing through that place, he saw that Kali was dancing on the stage. So he was admiring. Who was admiring? Sara Chanda. Ditindum tatatai. Ditindum tatatai. So she is astonished. Sara was astonished, was admired to see such a talented boy and is moved that she's gotten so far all by himself. Would you like to learn Bharatanatyam at Kalakshetra? So after seeing a talent, a sir also after seeing a talent, what he will do? He will encourage. You can do it better than this. Like that, Sara Chanda is also what she is doing? She is encouraging the boy. So would you like to learn Bharatanatyam at Kalakshetra? She asked him after the performance. The Kalakshetra Foundation in Chennai was India's premier dance school. Kali laughs at first. Dance? The Dalit community. Dalit means who are the Dalit people? In the Hindu caste, they consider they are the lowest person. Okay? And then the Dalit community rarely had the opportunity to learn, let alone master the art form of Bharatanatyam. In Kali's family, there is never enough money to spare for dance class. In a very, poverty below line or above line, a middle class family will not give money for the extracurricular activities. They'll say, learn, that is enough, no need to go for other things. So he doesn't have much money to go for extra dance class and all. So he has heard of boys dancing for a living. So he was just having a passion to dance. But Sara is serious. You must learn Bharatanatyam in a proper school, Kali. She says, I will pay you the fees. Soon after, Sara arranges for Kali to visit Kalakshetra, where Leela Samson, a renowned Bharatanatyam dancer, and the head of the school tells Kali to perform for them. Kali ties a sari crookedly means criss and cross, over his trouser and dances to a film song. Teachers think He has the makings of a classical dancer. So what happened is Sara, the doctor, is very serious. The talent should not be wasted in Kali. So you have to learn this Bharatanatyam in a proper school. And then she is introducing to her a very famous and well-respected, renowned master, Leela Samson. So what happened? He just ties a sari in a very crooked way. The Kali ties a sari in a very crooked way, and then he dances in front of the teachers. And then, but it is not a simple choice for Kali. He can't decide what he wants to be when he grows up. Should he be an actor, a collector, a teacher, a biotechnologist, or a dancer? His friends and family aren't really of much help. So if anybody wants to give help means, if you need help means what we will do. Whether we want to be an actor or else somebody has to help, only we can come up in our life. Or else we have to be in the position to decide. Yes? Till this, hope we have understood. We'll continue in the next session. Okay, so a quick recap of this till this. So Kali is a boy, a poor boy. He lost his father, but he had a talent of dancing. And then what happened? One day Sara Chanda, a doctor who saw him dancing on the stage, she advised him to join in a proper school of Bharatanatyam. And then he asked the permission of Kali, but Kali first laughed at her and said Dalit people will not allow the other person to come friend. So he was annoyed to join in the dance class. After that, Sara was very serious. He wants to learn the Bharatanatyam dance in a very proper way. And then Sara offers, and she told that she will pay the fees. And then she went and visited Kalakshetra, and then she introduced Leela Samson to Kali, a very renowned Bharatanatyam dancer. And then she was the head of the school. And then Kali wants to perform, right? After that only they'll give admission. So he performed, and then they have taken him inside the Kalakshetra. Okay, children? Thank you, children. We'll meet you in next session. Thank you so much. Shri Guru Dev Namaha.